Welcome to the Empty Space Tour. Today is day 3. We are going to be unpacking our storage unit. You can come closer if you want. We're going to be unpacking our storage unit, so it's going to be pretty annoying and hard to film. So I'll just do an empty tour for you guys today. Yay! I see crap on the camera. You look great, sweetie. Okay, so let's talk about the space. Where should we begin? Let's begin over here. So this beautiful area right here is going to be our glitter wall, glitter bar. So we're gonna have all of our glitters right here, and you can come and make your custom glitters just like before. So that's gonna be our glitter bar. This is where you'll come check out and have a lovely experience. And then this area, I'm foggy about. I really don't know what we're gonna do over here yet, but it'll come together real quick. And I'm super excited about these because we can put, it'll be super creepy if I'm hey. We can put pictures of photo shoots we've done and feature models and photographers in this space, which I'm so excited about. And then, okay, this beautiful ugly brown build thing, this is all gonna be a sequin wall. So it's gonna be covered in that same sequin material, that same sequin background that was at the last store. And then this little spot right here, this little nugget right in here, this is gonna be like a content creation space. So if you wanna come renegade, it'll be right here. We'll make it all cute and fancy with some changeable lights, backdrops, all that fun stuff, props, right here. And then this awkward situation, this will be our flower wall. So it'll be basically the same big ol' statement right here. And then of course we have, she's already here, she looks really sad, but we have our ball arch that will be right here. And then all of these lights we're gonna switch out for chandeliers. Can you even? I think that the group, I can't decide if I want product here or the table for group lessons or a studio, but I think the studio, group lesson table area will be here, and then we'll have all of our amazing products all through here. That's about it. That's all. And then, up top, do you see this cut out situation? We're gonna put those changing LED strip lights up there, so it'll be a party in here all the time. And then in this space, okay, you have to kind of see the stitch. So this is the outside, so we have 3 entrances, and then we're gonna dangle really beautiful flower, really light, dainty flowers from the ceiling right where you enter, so you know you're entering the magical kingdom of Bree. I'm so excited. It doesn't feel like there's as much here as the last space, but it's just more compact, which I'm super pumped about. So that is our space right now, so take a good long gander, because it ain't gonna be like this for long. Oh, and then these pillars won't be brown. I'm gonna work some magic and figure out how to make them white, floral, beautiful. So thank you guys for stopping by. You're amazing, and I cannot wait to get everything up and going. We're already painted on day 3, so like we're doing good. We're on track. So she should be up and running in no time. Yay! Okay, thanks for watching. Love y'all. See you later. Bye.
Peace.
Hi, my love. It's been too long. Creepy. It's so creepy. The mall is like officially closed. I can't get it. It's so creepy. All right, folks, look at that booty. Let me see that booty work, booty work, booty work. No? Okay. So, we are getting the flower wall on. Yeah. Jazz hands. So we're re-putting on the power covers because you have to, I guess. I don't really understand anything electric. It's our last video. So the flower wall is just silk flowers that we pressed into styrofoam so that we can take it with us when we move. And also, I couldn't figure out another way to do it. But we're gonna just put it in with these washers and what is this called? Drywall screws. So right now we're just sizing everything and making sure everything fits. But that's how we did it, folks. Okay, what? Get another board. Yeah. Or we could start at the top and then put it on the bottom. Yeah, okay. Cool. We do that. So this one already has it started. Metal shards on it. So it's lined up and everything. Good to go. It's really tight against the wall. You can already tell this wall is like a lot more hardy than the last wall. The last wall was made of garbage. Back again. Mrs. Beck. And we have so much left over. Like the space. We could actually probably just extend it to both sides. No? I love it how it is. I love it how it is. So my plan is on the border here, I want to do some like molding, something here to just add like a frame to it, but we'll see what we want to do. But yeah, yay! Are you excited? He's not paying attention. How creepy is that? I know it's been like over a year since we put up the flower wall the first time, but the thought of poking a flower into that wall right now makes me want to die. Makes me actually want to die, which means we should probably do it today. Or I'm just never gonna do it. Yep. I'm in love. with this. Okay. Demonetized. She's back. This is as far as we got today, but I mean, we did great. We just have to go home to our babies, so.
I just want all this to be covered. You see how I plug those guys?
Mm-hmm.
I want all those ones to be plugged like that.
Yeah, we can do that.
Or if we can just plug these.
Like the big ones, yeah. We can put it through the side, yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, so we just have like the bottom few bits to go, and we will have the flower wall up and running. So that is all we're doing today. Yes, we love you so much. This is signing off on day 4, I believe. Day 4. So thank you guys for watching. Always, let's go have our cameo. She's back. Yay! Oh, and the lighting's terrible. Yay! We will see you guys tomorrow when more adventures happen. Planters on our window, and Monsieur Julien, Monsieur Chocolate Drop, aka Chocolate Dropper, put them up there, and I love it so much. They're so cute. Okay, we're going home. I'm going home. Bye.